Hello students, today I am going to discuss with you the poem the Voice of the Rain. I already have explained this poem in the earlier videos. The students, because of your unit test is going to take place in the month of the August, therefore I am going to discuss with you in this poem as it is being asked in the coming test. Okay students, so let's start. The Voice of the Rain. The introduction of the poem The Voice of the Rain is written by Walt Whitman. It is a conversation between the poet and the rain. The rain explains its eternal journey in its birthplace, that is earth to poet. Okay, I hope so ki the Voice of the Rain poem summary. In the poem, the poet asks the soft is falling shower, who are you? To which she replies that she is the poem of earth. It is strange thing for the rain to reply to the poet. The rain told the poet that she cannot be touched as she rises in the form of water vapor in the sky from the land and sky from the land and the bottomless sea. It changes its shape, yet it remains the same. The vapor changes into clouds due to condensation. It falls back on the surface of the earth to provide water to the drought prone areas and to beautify and purify the earth, its birthplace. It provides life to the seeds inside the earth and helps them grow. The rain doesn't care if anyone bothers about the deeds or not. She completes her work and comes back home. The poet also compared the rain with a song as they both share a common journey. The song originates from the heart of the singer, travels across to fulfill the aim, and comes back with due love for the singer, its originator. Okay, the poem, The Voice of the Rain poem, an explanation. And who are thou? Said I to the soft falling shower, which is strange to tell, gave me an answer as here translated. I am the poem of the earth, said the voice of the rain. Eternal I rise, impalpable, out of the land and the bottomless sea. So, meaning of the word, who are thou, who are you? Eternal, never ending, impalpable, which cannot be described. So, in the above lines, the poet asked soft falling shower, who are you? To which the rain replied in a strange to state manner. The rain said that it was the poem of the earth and it rose continuously from the land and bottomless ocean in the form of vapors. The next line of the poem, upward to heaven Whence, vaguely formed, altogether changed, and yet the same. I descend to lave the droughts, atomies, dust layers of the globe, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent unborn. To whence means where, vaguely means not clearly, descend means come down, lab means wash, bathe, atomies means small particles, latent means hidden, buried. The rain tells the poet that it rises upwards towards the sky in the form of vapor, where it changes its form, condenses into water droplets. It also says that although its form gets changed, it still remains the same. The rain comes down to wash the droughts and provide water. It also washes away the dust and small particles from the earth's surface, and the seeds inside the earth grow into a plant because of the water provided by the rain. It gives life to the seeds and forever. By day and night, I give back life. I give back life to my own origin and make pure and beautify it. For song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, ragged or unragged, duly with love returns. Ragged or unragged, it means whether cared for or not cared for. It doesn't affect the rain nor the poet if someone is listened to the rain or not. The rain says that by the day and night it provides life, care, enrichment, and water to the place from where it originated. The rain keeps enhancing the beauty and purity of the earth by preparing a life cycle for itself again. The rain is like a song that originates from its birthplace, just like the heart of the singer, and travels to fulfill the earth's needs and wanders. It finally comes back to the place from where it originated. So now, whether it is ruined or not, it returns to the original position with a lot of love to its birthplace. The voice of the rain, literary devices are used. Personification. The poet used a non-living thing as a living thing in the poem. I am the poem of the earth, said the voice of the rain. Metaphor. An indirect comparison between the quality of different kind of things. I am the poem of the earth. Rain is being compared to a poem. Hyperbole. Exaggerated statements like bottomless sea. Imagery, visual description of something soft falling shower. Now, the voice of the rain poem questions and answers. There are two voices in the poem. Who do they belong to? Which lines indicate this? The two voices in the poem are the voice of the rain and the voice of the poet. The lines which indicate the voice of the rain are I am the poem of the earth, said the voice of the rain. And the lines which indicate the voice of the poet are and who are thou, said I to the softest falling shower. So next question for you. What does the phrase strange to tell mean? The phrase strange to tell means that it was strange for the soft falling rain to reply to the poet's question when the poet asked the rain, who are thou? The rain replied, I am the poem of the earth. There is a parallel drawn between the rain and music. Which words indicate this? Explain the similarity between the two. The lines for the song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, ragged or unragged, duly with love, returns draws a parallel between rain and music. Here the poet compares the life cycle of the rain and the song. As the song originated from the heart of the singer, wanders to the world, whether like liked or not, comes back to its birthplace in the end with lots of love. Similarly, the rain that originates from earth birthplace fulfills its duty to beautify and purify the earth and wanders and comes back with love for its creator. How it is cyclic movement of rain brought out in the poem, compare it with what you have learnt in science. In the poem, the water rises from the land and the bottomless sea in the form of vapor. It then changes its form, transforms itself into clouds. It comes down to the earth in the form of rain to wash, drought, provide water, gives life to the unborn and latent seeds inside the earth. The rain purifies and beautifies the earth. In science, the water is evaporated in the form of water vapor, condenses in the sky to form clouds, and then rains down in the form of water into rivers, streams, ground, ocean, etc. In the poem, the rain describes its eternal journey itself. Why are the last two lines put within brackets? The last two lines are put within the bracket because they are the observations made by the poet and his thoughts. He made a similarity between the rain and the music. List the pair of the opposite fountains in the poem: day, night, red, unred, rise, descend. So now, students, with these words, now I conclude this poem. Actually, this is only for revision work, as is going to take place as it is going to take place in the month of August. Therefore, I made this video on this poem again, and it was already being well explained in Hindi in the previous video. If you have any difficulty, so you can call me. You can write in the comment box. You can send me message through WhatsApp. So there are so many resources you have, and I can interact with you through various resources. So if you have any difficulty, so please ask me and send me the messages. Thank you very much for listening and watching this video. I hope so you will do the best in your coming test. Thank you very much for watching.